Hey friends, Wayne over here is Ram Man. So here's the broach we use to open up our Ford locker gears. About 10 thousandths of an inch, 8 to 10 thousandths. So the Ford splines and the Dodge splines are the same, have the same pressure angle. But these Dodge splines are about 8 or 10 thousandths taller. So that's what we do. So we've got our little pilot that matches up, and then press this on down. So it's about 24 inches long. Anyway, if you've never seen any broaching done, you ought to check it out. It's pretty cool. And of course, we've got the shaper over there, which we can do it that way. That's the way we usually do it in the beginning. So anyway, this has been a fabulous tool for us. God bless you. God bless America. And happy trucking.